हाँ जी बेटा, now we are on question number 8. Find the labor charges for digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter breadth and 3 meter wide at deep at the rate of rupees 25 per meter cube. इसका मतलब we are asking a laborer to dig a pit, cuboidal shape ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, cuboid shape ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ we want him to dig a pit and we have to pay him at the rate of rupees 25 per meter cube, and we have to find that how much charges he will charge from us for that work. So first of all we will find how much volume of the cuboidal pit will be made by that laborer. So for that volume you are already given beta the length of the pit. The length of the cuboidal pit is given to you equal to 8 meters beta. The breadth is given to you equal to how much? The breadth is given to you 6 meters and the height of the pit is given to you 3 meters. Deep means height. ठीक है? Deep जड़ा word होता बेटा depth, deep a height नहीं होते. Clear? And that is given to you equals to 3 meters. So first of all we will find the volume of the pit. The volume of the cuboidal pit. Cuboidal means it is in the shape of a cuboid. Pit is equal to length multiplied by breadth into height. So that is equal to beta 8 into 6 into 3 meter cube. Now multiply with all three. 8 6 are 48, and when you multiply 48 with 3 you get 8 3s are 24 to carry, and this is 144 meter cube. Now what is the laborer charging? The cost of digging. The cost of digging 1 meter cube. The laborer is charging rupees 25. ठीक है? और 25 रुपीज बेटा चार्ज कर रहा है एक पिट वास्ते. सो अगर वो 25 मीटर क्यूब चार्ज कर रहा है एक वास्ते, सो टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी पे करनी पड़ेगी? दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 144 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 25, एंड दिस विल कम आउट इन रुपीज. नाउ लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई देम. 24 into 4 is equal to 100, 10 carry. 24 into 4 is equal to 100, 100 plus 10, 110, again 0, 11 carry. 25 ones are 25 plus 11, 36. So you have your answer 3600 rupees. Next beta, question number 9. The area of the base of a right circular cylinder is given to you 154 centimeter square. So what is given to you now? Now we will start with the cylinder. So area of the base of a cylinder. ठीक है बेटा? Area of the base of the cylinder is given to you 154 centimeter square, and the height of the cylinder is given to you beta equal to how much? 15 centimeter, and you have to find the volume. So what is the volume of the cylinder? If we see the first video, right, starting of the introduction of the chapter, so volume of the cylinder as we introduced was equal to the area of the base multiplied by the height. Now what is the area of the base beta? That is equal to 154 multiplied by height, that is equal to 15 centimeter cube. Now let's multiply. 15 4s are 60, 6 carry. 15 5s are 75, 75 plus 6 is equal to 81, 8 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 8, 23. So what is the volume? The volume of this is equal to 2310 centimeter cube. Next, let's come to question number 10 beta. Let us read the question number 10 now. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio beta 7:5. Now beta I think हो गया, we are given the ratio, and you already know that when the ratio is given to you, you take x along with it. So if the radius and height of the cylinder are given in the ratio, so what you will suppose? You will suppose the radius to be equal to 7x and the height to be equal to 5x. Let radius is equal to 7x and height is equal to 5x. Now what is given to you beta? You are given the volume. You are given the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is given to you 6160. ठीक है? Now again put the formula. Pi r square h, which is the volume of the cylinder, is equal to 6160 pi. Let us put 22 by 7 in place of pi. R is equal to 7x into 7x into h, that is equal to 5x, is equal to 6160. Now beta 1 7 will get cancelled. 1 7 will get cancelled, and 22 into 7 into 5 we will multiply it. 22 into 7 is equal to 144. 154. 154 into 5, x 3 times will become x cube is equal to 6160. So how will you find x cube? 6160 divided by 154 into 5. Now let's do the cutting of this. On the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, right? And then we have again 5 threes are 15, right? And 5 twos are 10. So again see what do you left? X cube is 1232 divided by 154. On the table of 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. Now on the table of 11, 11 is 7s are 77, 11 5s are 55, 11 6 are 66, 7 8s are 56. So you have x cube is equal to 8. When x cube is equal to 8 beta, x will be equal to the cube root of 8, that is equal to 2. Now when you get x equal to 2, now you have to find the radius. Now what was your radius? You took your radius to be equal to what? 7x. And now your x is 2, so 7 into 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter. So the radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Beta, now we are on question number 11. A well with 10 meter inside diameter is dug 14 meter deep. So beta, when you are digging a well, suppose this is the ground level. So when you are digging a well, you are always digging a well below the ground level. Now this well that you are digging beta, that is 10 meter in diameter from inside. So this diameter is given to you 10 meter, and the depth of the well that is given to you 14 meter. Now what is happening now? The earth taken out, the mud that you are taking out from this well is spread all around it to a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. Now what is an embankment beta? Now if I have dug a well, okay, the well is below the ground. Now how do I come to know that there is a well? How do I come to know? For that, most of you must have seen the models of the well in like Haveli and all, है ना? What do they do? Well के ऊपर there is a structure like this formed, which you can see from the outside. Now what is done? जितनी आपकी वेल है उतनी जगह छोड़ के, ठीक है, उसके आसपास आप ऐसा एक एम्बैंकमेंट बना देते हो, ठीक है. दिस एम्बैंकमेंट दैट ही इज मेकिंग इज 5 मीटर वाइड. 5 मीटर वाइड एम्बैंकमेंट बना रहे हैं इसमें, ठीक है. नाउ ਅਸੀਂ फाइंड करना है कि व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द एम्बैंकमेंट, कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ एम्बैंकमेंट ਦੀ ਹਾਈਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਬਣਾਓਗੇ. ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, this is the mud from here which is put in this part. Just see here. इथों mud करके you are putting it in this part. ठीक है. So what is there? Please listen very carefully. That the volume of the earth from the well, the volume of the earth from the well, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ earth well ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੱਢੋਗੇ, that will be equal to the volume of your embankment. ठीक है, ये दोनों equal होंगे, right? ਹੁਣ this diameter is given to you 10th of this, and radius will be equal to 5. Now the width of this embankment is 5. That means this is having more radius than this one. So what will be the capital R? The capital R will be equal to your small r plus your width of the embankment. So 5 plus 5, that will give me 10 meter. This is the radius from this point to this this point. इतना लेके इतना आ radius होगा capital R. Right? Now, volume of the earth from the well. जितनी मिट्टी तुसी इथों कड्डी, that is in the form of a cylinder. So that will be equal to pi r square h. और जितना embankment बनाया बेटा, that is a hollow cylinder. ठीक है? Hollow क्यों कह रहे हैं? Because वो center जो खाली है. So volume of the embankment is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square into h. ये जड़ा h है बेटा, ये ਅਸੀਂ फाइंड करना है embankment ਦੀ हाइट आ वाली h. ਹੁਣ देखो pi दोनों साइडां ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ कैंसिल कर pi and pi gets cancelled. r का रेडियस कितना है 5 multiplied by 5 h that is equal to 14 is equal to capital R that is equal to your 10 square beta minus small r that is equal to 5 square into h. Now how do you do the calculation? This is equal to, just see the calculation, 5 into 5 into 14 is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 into h. So 5 into 5 into 14 is equal to 75 into h. So 5 into 5 into 14 divided by 75 is equal to h. 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. So h is equal to 14 upon 3, which can also be written as mixed fraction 3, 3 4s are 12 and 2. So you can write that your height is equal to 4, 2 by 3 also, or it can be written as 4.66 meters approximately. Is it clear to all of you? Let's start with question number 12 now. The internal and the external diameter of a steel pipe of length 140 cm are 8 cm and 10 cm respectively. So what do you have beta? We have a steel pipe. Okay, we have a steel pipe like this. Okay, or we have the pipe is hollow from inside. Okay, the steel pipe is hollow from inside. This part is the steel. Okay, this is the steel part. Now what is he given to you? He is giving you the length of the pipe. The length of this pipe that is equal to height is equal to 140 centimeter. What else is given to you? He has given you the internal and the external diameters. So if I take the internal diameter, it is from here to here beta. This I will take small d equal to 8 centimeter, and the external diameter beta is from outer parts here to here, and that is given to you 10 centimeter. Now if the internal diameter is 8, that means the internal radius will be equal to 4 beta, half of it, and if the external diameter is 10, then the capital R, the outer radius, will be equal to half of 10, that is equal to 5. So I have got three things now beta. I have got the height of the pipe, I have got the external radius, and I have got the internal radius. Now what I need to find? First of all he is asking you the volume, but first of all we will find the thickness of the pipe. What is the thickness of the pipe? I'll find out the second part, the thickness of the metal. ठीक है, metal की thickness कितनी है? Metal की thickness कितनी है बेटा? तुसी outer radius विचों inner radius को बस minus करना है. The outer radius minus the inner radius. Outer radius बेटा कितना है 5, inner radius कितना है 4. So जो outer radius to inner radius minus कर दोगे, you will get the thickness of the pipe that is equal to 1 centimeter. Now beta we have to find the volume of the steel. Now क्योंकि pipe पिछों hollow है, like पिछले question विच embankment की कितना सी hollow cylinder का formula लगाया सी because of पिछों hollow सी. Same way एक pipe पिछों hollow है, so volume of the steel find करने वास्ते we will use the formula volume of the steel is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square into h. बेटा ये formula कितना बनता है? ਅਸੀਂ outer volume ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ inner volume ਨੂੰ minus कर देंगे. outer volume ਦੇ लिए outer radius, inner volume ਦੇ लिए inner radius. height चाहे outer side तो measure करो चाहे inner side तो measure करो, height remains the same. So let us put the values now. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, capital R that is equal to 5, small r that is equal to 4, h that is equal to 140. So when you see 22 by 7 multiplied, 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. So 25 minus 16 multiplied by 140, that is equal to beta 22 by 7 multiplied by 25 minus 16 is 9 multiplied by 140. Now 7 2s are 14, 20. Now you multiply them, you get 22 into 9, that is equal to 198. You can multiply 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19. And then you multiply again with 2, 8 2s are 16 and 2s are 18 and 1 19 and 3. So you get 396 and this 0 which is left here, 3960 centimeter cube. This will be the volume of the steel which is used to make this pipe. And question number 13 beta. A cylindrical tube open at both the ends is made up of metal. This question is just like the previous one. The internal diameter of the tube is given to you 11.2 meters. So internal diameter we always take as small d. So internal diameter, which is your small d, is given to you 11.2 centimeter. Now therefore your internal radius, that will be half of this, that will be equal to 5.6 centimeter. Now what is given to you? You are given the length of the pipe. Okay? The length is given to you equal to 21 centimeter. Now next beta, he is giving you the metal everywhere is 0.4 centimeter thick. That means we are given the thickness of the metal. The thickness of the metal is given to you 0.4 centimeter. Now beta, whenever you are given the thickness, you can find the outer radius. You can find the outer radius, capital R, and to find the outer radius you will add the small r with the thickness. ठीक है बेटा? Small r अंदर वाली radius ਨੂੰ जितना for example ये pipe है, ठीक है? तो ताकि कोई इधर internal radius हैगा, if you have got the internal radius, so ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आ वाली thickness plus कर दोगे, तो ताकि कोई ऐसे लगे कि तक outer radius आ जाएगा. So small r beta तुसी already कर चुके हो, that is equal to 5.6 plus in which 0.4 add कर दोगे. 5.6 plus 0.4 will give you 6 centimeter. That will be your capital R. Now you have to find the volume of the metal used. So volume of the metal is equal to, as we already have done the formula, pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Now put the values. In place of pi, you will put 22 by 7. Capital R, ये जगह पे तुसी बेटा 6 पुट करोगे. Small r, जिस जगह पे तुसी 5.6 पुट करोगे. 5.6 का होल स्क्वायर और into h की जगह पे तुसी पुट करोगे बेटा 21. So इन्हीं कैलकुलेशन करो. 6 का स्क्वायर करो, 5.6 का होल स्क्वायर करो. पूरी कैलकुलेशन करके you will find the volume of the metal. बेटा last question of this exercise, question number 14. A cylindrical bucket 42 centimeter in diameter and 50 centimeter high is full of water. So we have a bucket beta. ठीक है, इतना ही साइड को एक cylindrical bucket है. ठीक है, जिधर सामने given है diameter is equal to d is given to you 42 centimeter and the height of this bucket is given to you equal to h is given to you 50 centimeter. Right beta? He कह रहा है the water is emptied into a rectangular tank. So the water that is here is being shifted beta inside a rectangular tank. So this is the shape of the tank, the bottle tank, जिधर विच असली water ਨੂੰ shift कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Now what is he saying? Tank is 66 centimeter long, 66 centimeter is the length and 21 centimeter wide. 21 centimeter की breadth है. We want to find the height of the water level in the tank. जो बेटा ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਧਰ शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. So suppose करो पानी ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ level तक जा रहा है. So suppose करो this is the water level. तो ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ height find कर रहे हैं. That what is the height of the water in the tank. So बेटा ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ shifting कर रहे हो, that means the comparison of the two figures again will be of the volume. So what will happen? The volume of the water in the cylinder, the volume of the water in the cylinder, that will be equal to the volume of the water that is in the tank. Volume of water in the tank, which is in the shape of a cuboid, rectangular tank. Clear? Now when you say volume of the water in the cylinder, the formula will be pi r square h, and when you will say volume in the water in the rectangular tank, that will be length into breadth into height. Now beta, if d is equal to 42, obviously r the half हो जाएगा, 42 the half, that is equal to 21. So if the values put कर दो, 22 by 7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 50, that will be equal to length, which is equal to 66, multiplied by breadth, which is equal to 21 multiplied by h. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਬੇਟਾ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ 7 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ 21 ਦੀ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ 3 ਆ ਗਿਆ। ਨਾउ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਟਰਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਟਾ ਇੱਧਰ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ। ਵਾਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ 22 into 3 into 21 into 50 divided by 66 multiplied by 21 is equal to h. Now the cutting कर दो बेटा। 21 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ 21 ਦੀ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਹੋगी, राइट। 22 ਦੇ ਟੇਬਲ ਤੇ 22 3 ਦਾ 66 ਹੁੰਦਾ, 3 ਦੀ 3 ਨਾਲ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਟਰਮ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ 50। so h is equal to 50 centimeter. That means the height of the water in the tank is also equal to 50 centimeter.